Hey, Dana Williams, your partner in real estate, and welcome to my Marin County market update for December 2020. I'm in the beautiful Stolte Grove, which is a part of Mill Valley that I call home. And the data from this market report is from November of this year. I'm going to start by doing a big picture of the market and then get into a few of the specific data points, and then finally finish off with Proposition 19. So let's look at the big picture of the market. I'd say in general, it followed a similar trend to November in that we saw a decline. That was both in terms of new listings, sold properties, and as well as price reductions, but it wasn't as drastic as the same time last year. Now, why might that be the case? Well, the pandemic, as we know, hit early in the year. This busy spring selling season was delayed a bit, which we're probably seeing the trickle-down effects of that, as well as a lot more people are working from home. Therefore, they have some flexibility. They're able to spend a little bit more time looking at buying or selling real estate. The appeal of Marin County, there is a lot of outdoor, more living space, and probably most of your traditional urban settings like San Francisco. And then finally, interest rates are still pretty low, so that is definitely attractive for buyers. Now let's move to a little bit more specifics, the data. Median home sale price in Marin was just under 1.5 million for the month. The number of new listings started around just over 100 at the beginning of the month. And by the end of the month, we were down to just over 30. And then also months supply of inventory, that is still quite low. And that is the time it takes to sell all the properties on the market if nothing new came on. So it's still a strong market. It's doing well. If we look at the little bigger geographic area, the whole Bay Area, and we look at a bit of the third quarter, Marin County, in terms of median home sale price, was third at 1.54 million. San Francisco was second at 1.667 million. And then San Mateo was first at 1.76 million. That's all median home sale price. If you're interested in high price properties, the highest property sold was in Pebble Beach at 24.8 million. And the highest price listing was, I believe, Palo Alto Hills at 53.8 million. Yeah, so that's market stats. Finally, wanted to finish off with Proposition 19. That was recently passed in the most recent election. Essentially, that is a group of individuals, majority 55 years and older, who are able to transfer their tax basis from when they sell their property and buy another one. Now, this is going to be beneficial for many, but it will also, be opposite for some. I'm not necessarily the person to be able to give you advice on that. You definitely want to speak to a real estate attorney or a CPA. If you are looking at this video from my email marketing, you'll see down below there is a little information session where you can go. There's also a Q&A. So that about wraps it up. In general, the market is strong. It's a seller's market for sure. But does that mean it's a bad time to buy? I wouldn't necessarily say so. Interest rates are still low. When you look at the Bay Area, even what you can get in Marin for your money compared to maybe some cities south of the city, you're still there's a great opportunity there. So that wraps it up. It's a holiday season. It was a challenging year for sure. I'm pretty confident 2021 will be different. We don't know what it's going to be. I want to say it's less challenging, but I'm not sure. But anyways, I wish you a happy holidays. Thanks for listening. Thanks for all your support. And I hope to see you soon.